comes the total comfort of total stainless steel shaving.
Steel is 50 times harder than human hair. Yet if you're a frequent shaver, your razors probably don't last more than a few weeks before they need to be sharpened or tossed in the trash.
Men report each gives 10, 15, even more comfortable shaves. Watch.
For a long time, researchers suspected this failure stemmed from the sharp tip gradually wearing down and becoming rounder after each use. But a new study points to a more complex interaction between hair and steel, involving chipping. They started with an unusual first step, growing a beard. The researcher grew a beard for 3 days, shaved it, then looked at the razor under an electron microscope. After each shave, they didn't notice metal slowly and evenly coming off the blade. Instead, they noticed something baffling: the formation of tiny cracks, then chips along the sharp edge of the blade. To better understand how these cracks formed, researchers rigged a razor and hair under a microscope to watch the cutting in action. When the hair was cut exactly perpendicular to the blade, no cracks formed. But when the blade was tilted at an angle, conditions more realistic for shaving, they saw those same mysterious chips. Changing the angle increased the stress exerted on the razor. After analyzing the blades further, they found the roughness of the edge of the razor played a role in the formation of these chips. Despite how smooth a razor may look to the human eye, the surface is speckled with bumps even before cutting anything. Steel is hard overall, but there are some regions that are softer than others. These variations lead to bumps that render razor blades less effective. Researchers found that the cracks were more likely to form where softer regions and harder regions met. When the hair pushed down the softer area at an angle, it stressed the boundary, leading to the formation of a crack. Now that researchers understand why the blade is failing, they're working to create longer-lasting razors. Traditionally, razors are made by honing steel, using a hard rotating wheel to remove material and form a sharp tip. But this process results in an uneven surface. To create a smoother tip, researchers have experimented with using extreme pressure to mold the material into a sharp wedge shape. Soon, they hope to test these blades to see if they are more durable. Increasing the lifetime of razors could have positive environmental impacts. In 1990, the Environmental Protection Agency estimated that over 2 billion razors were thrown away annually. With new blades, we can cut that waste off at the source.
There it is.